Possessive pronouns.
Let's understand this with the help of some real-life examples.
Whose ball is this?
It's mine.
This bicycle is yours. It's their gym time.
Did you notice the words we used just now to indicate possession? Mine, yours, theirs.
Such words that indicate possession are called possessive pronouns. Let's understand possessive pronouns in detail.
We use pronouns like mine and ours to indicate that the object belongs to us. Yours is used to indicate that something belongs to you. While talking to someone, if we want to indicate that something belongs to the third person, that is, not the person we are talking to, then we say his, hers, theirs, its, one's, etc.
Pronouns its and one's are rarely used. They are generally accompanied by the word own. For example, one doesn't like to spend too much time on one's own. The city had its own vibe. It is also used for animals. For example, the dog was running after its food.
So the next time you are reading something, try and spot the possessive pronouns.